Hello, this is Sebastian Danicic. I'm going to give you some useful information about the cis229 Java course. So first go to my website. So here we are. Here is the cis229 second year programming semester 2 website. As you know, this is a coursework only course. What we'd like you to do is to bring your fully charged laptop to every lecture and lab. First, I'm going to tell you about the coursework on this course. So here we see a week by week account of what I'm going to do, but starting off with an introduction to the coursework. Well, each week there will be an easy and a hard programming task for your coursework. And you only get marks if your code is working. So don't hand in work if it's not properly working. What you must do is come to the labs, and in the labs try and do the easy assignment. If you get it working, you can email it to me before 6 p.m. on the day of the lab. It must be fully working for you to get your mark. So don't send it to me if it's not fully working. There'll be one of these easy assignments every week. So the aim is to do them in the lab and email them to me by 6 p.m. on the day of the lab. If it works, you'll get 4 marks for each of the easy assignments. Now also, each week there's a hard assignment. Now this hard assignment, you can do it any time you like up until the end of the course. And you get 10 marks for your hard assignment. So in your final mark, before I tell you that, I've got this other thing where if you do the easy assignment and you mail it to me within the week of it being set, you can still get 3 marks, provided it arrives by 9 a.m. on the following Tuesday. It'll have been set on a Tuesday, so if you mail it to me by 9 a.m. on the following Tuesday, you will get 3 marks rather than 4. So each week you will either get a mark for your easy assignment or your hard assignment, but not both. So, for example, if you do all the easy assignments and 3 of the hard assignments, you will score 3 times 10 for the easy assignments, for the hard assignments, and 7 times 4 for the easy ones, and that gives you a total of 58%. Another example, if you do no hard assignments at all and 9 easy ones, you'll still score 36%, which will pass the course. So for each week, the possible scores you can get are either 0 if you don't do it at all, 3 if you do the easy assignment but you don't do it on the day of it was set, 4 if you do the easy assignment and you do it on the day it was set, or 10 if you do the hard assignment for that week. The easy assignments, you mail them to me on the day. That's how I can tell by the date of the email. I can tell when you finished them by. And what you do is you have to put the right subject for each assignment. So for example, the third easy assignment would have subject cis229 CWK3, all in lowercase. If you don't have the right subject, then I won't get it. It won't go into the right place and it won't get marked. But I've made it easy for you to get the subject right by having a mail to link next to each of the easy assignments in the course. So what I suggest you do is when you come to the labs, you should attempt the easy assignment as an insurance. So even if you think you're going to be able to do the hard assignment, still do the easy assignment in the lab, and then you know you've got at least 4 marks for that particular coursework. Right, so at the end of the course, you've got to hand in a report, a bit like the ones you did in cis228 last year, and the report has got to contain a week-by-week account of each assignment that you did. So for each week, you'll either have your report will either contain the easy assignment or the hard assignment, or neither, if you didn't manage to do either of them. So you do not include the easy assignments for a week where you also did the hard assignment. Again, we expect the reports to be nicely bound using the same spiral binding with hard covers that you had before, to have a title page, table of contents, and to have sections and subsections for each of the tasks. And for each program, you should give the Java code for your solution. You don't even need to put comments in. and you can if you like, but you don't need to. The comments are there to help you if you think they're helpful. And you should also show sample outputs of your program so we can see that it's working. At the end of the course, during the exam fortnight, you'll be given a viva, i.e. an oral examination where we ask you questions about your work. This is mainly to ensure that it is your own work and not plagiarized. If you cannot satisfactorily explain a piece of work, you will simply score 0 for it. So that's to make sure that it's your own work. Also, we'd like you, as you did before, to put your work on a website. So you must produce a website containing links to all your code, source and executable jars at gold.ac.k tilde your username java2 cwk4. If you all put it in the same place, that'll make it easy for me to find them. In fact, I can write a script to download everybody's coursework in one go. The hand-in date for your report will be the last lecture of term. So I hope I've satisfactorily explained how this course is going to be assessed. Thank you very much. The next video will be about the topics that we're going to cover in the first week of the course itself.